fabulous first grade friends. Today we are going to be going through and reviewing subtraction strategies. These are all strategies that you have learned to do this year, and these strategies are going to be important as you begin working through subtraction word problems and developing your plan. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, you will, because you will be watching your UPSE subtraction strategy part 2 pretty soon. Okay, so first let's go over all of the strategies. I'm going to go over them kind of fast, and then I will go through and explain each and every one of them in depth. Your subtraction strategies we have learned this year are subtracting 0, subtracting all, drawing a picture, counting backwards, a doubles trick, and frames of 10 trick. Okay, so starting with right here, subtracting 0. Subtracting 0 is probably one of the easiest subtraction strategies of all. Subtracting 0 is easy because the number does not change because you didn't take anything away. Here I have 5 cubes. I'm going to come up close so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cubes. If I take none of them away, none, I still have 5 cubes. So subtracting 0 is easy because you're taking nothing away. Your number stays the same. Now, another one is subtracting all. When you subtract all, the answer is always 0 because you take everything away. Here are my 5 cubes. I take away my 5 cubes. How many cubes do I have left? 0, because I had 5. I took 5 away. I have no cubes left. Subtracting all, your answer is always going to be 0. That is how we know. These numbers, your minuend and your subtrahend, they are always going to be the same. Now, another strategy you can use is drawing a picture. Drawing a picture with subtraction sometimes is a little bit tricky. We may get it confused with addition drawing a picture, but this is how we draw a picture using with subtraction. Okay, so first you draw how many you begin with. So I look right here. This is the number that I had. I had 3. This is how many I began with. Okay, I drew 1, 2, 3 circles. And cross out how many you take away. This is telling me to cross out 2. So I crossed out 2. 1, 2. And I am left with 1 circle left. What I did not do is draw 3 and then draw 2 more and then take away 2. That's not what we do when we subtract. We draw how many you begin with. 1, 2, 3. We cross out how many we take away. 1, 2. And that, my friends, is all. Here, when you count backwards, you count back on a number line, or you can use your fingers to see where you end up. So here is our largest number. A trick that I always tell my class is that when you subtract, the biggest number always comes first. So here we have 5 minus 2. So I'll show you both using the number line I drew, and then I'll show you using my fingers as well. We have 5. I go back 2. 1, 2, and I end up with 3. Let's try that with using your fingers. I have 5 fingers on this hand. I take away 2. 1, 2. I am left with 3. Now, this down here is a doubles trick. And your clue is to think about the doubles facts you know. If you need a refresher on doubles facts, you should go and watch the YouTube video I did on that. I will include that link in the description so that makes it easy for you to find. The reason a doubles trick works is if you know 2 plus 2 equals 4, then you should know that 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now remember, doubles trick only works on numbers that are doubles. And a double is when these two numbers, the two addends, are the same. Okay? That's how it works with subtraction. 4 minus 2 is going to equal 2. These two numbers are the same. Okay, you can also think about your friends of 10 trick. Your friends of 10 are something that we covered in our addition video, which I can link in the description below as well. Your friends of 10 tricks works because you think about making 10. If 9 plus 1 equals 10, then 10 minus 9 is going to leave you with 1. These numbers are all in the same fact family, 1, 9, and 10. And so 1 plus 9 equals 10, 9 plus 1 equals 10, 10 minus 9 equals 1, 10 minus 1 equals 9. All of those numbers are related as a fact family. And that is how your friends of 10 trick works as well. Alright, my super awesome first grade friends, I hope that this subtraction strategy video is helpful. You should use one of these strategies in your P for planning when you solve word problems using the UPSE strategy. Have a wonderful day.